it's me Sato again from Cosplay, and today we're back with a new tutorial, and in this one I'm gonna show you how I made a sports jacket based on an OC character from Pokemon. And keep that in mind, it was filmed about 2 years ago because I'm still not finished with the next video. That's coming in the future, so stay tuned for this one. And if you don't want to miss it, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. And without further ado, let's do it. As always, I'm gonna show you the pattern that I made. Well, this is the main fabric for it. And this will be the inner lining. The zigzag pattern will be made from some fox leather for the hem at the bottom. I also got some elastic bands for the hem at the bottom and the sleeves. For the start, I'm gonna trace the pattern onto some fabric. And don't forget the seam allowance. After everything was traced on and cut out, I made the pattern for the inner lining, and these are the parts for it. I then sorted the pattern into 2 piles because the strips that go all around will be made from the outer fabric. And the big parts get this nice shiny inner lining fabric. For a tutorial on that, you can watch my dedicated inner lining video. For the sewing part, I'm gonna start with the hood. This long strip gets sewn between the left and right side of the hood, and don't forget the top stitch. In the next step, I attach this small strip to the upper half of the sleeve because it was in the design of the customer. After this is done, the 2 front parts get attached at the shoulder to the back piece. Now that this is also done, the sleeve gets sewn into the armhole. This is just how it looked like pinned together. In the next step, the arm and side of the jacket get sewn together with a long seam as usual. It then gets turned inside out, and the same steps will be repeated for the other side as well. And it's now time to attach the hood to the neck hole. By the way, this is the inner lining for it, and I actually don't know why I filmed it. And it's now time to put the zipper in the front. The elastic bands get then sewn on at the end of the sleeves and the jacket itself. I must say I would have preferred it if the zipper was gone all the way down to the end. At the end comes the zigzag to the bottom, and it seems that I have sewed in the inner lining between filming. And it's now time for the final review. So this was a tutorial. I know it's not good, but it's okay in my opinion. And if you want, you can leave a comment down below what you like, what you dislike, or whatever. It's up to you. And there's a lot of videos coming in the future because I got a few commissions and there's a few things that may be interesting for you. So stay tuned for this. And if you haven't already, maybe considering subscribing to this channel because every subscriber counts and keeps this channel growing and the videos coming. And also gives this video a thumbs up. It's very helpful. And yeah, maybe share it with your friends. And until then, I see you in the next video. Have a great day and I'm out. Bye.